Hey, hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the how to handle the drop downs in Selenium. Okay, so in Selenium there is a how to say drop downs created by using the select class. Okay, so we handle the drop downs by using the select class, and Selenium provide the select class to handle the drop down list. Okay, so if any drop down list not become with select tag in DOM, then we can handle it with another normal ways. Okay, so we'll discuss after that that way also. So right now we'll discuss about select class can handle the drop down list or not, which are created using select flag only. Okay, so first of all, I create the one method which is select dropdown, and I write the code for like WebDriver equal to new WebDriver for launching the web browser, Chrome browser. Okay, and after that I use the driver.get and this website, this URL I have used for the handling the dropdown. So after that we create the object of select class select equal to new select. Okay, so we just what to say implement the select tag. Okay, we input the select. Okay, so we are here launching this website. Okay, so I already open it. So this is the website which is academy.com practice automation practice. So this is the drop down examples. Okay, we can handle this. So we just check it is implemented, it is using select class. Yes, there is a select class in DOM, so we can use the select class for this element to handle the drop down. Okay, so first of all we write the XPath. Okay, so we write the XPath like by inspecting this web element select, we can select the drop down by this XPath. Okay, so we write the XPath. We can give the preference for how to say ID. So just we write the double slash, we write the select as a tag name, and we can take attribute as a ID. So this is a drop down. Okay, list. So we just select the drop down list. Okay, and there is a option 1, option 2, option 3 are these are the options in this drop down. So we just write the XPath for drop down list. Okay, web element drop down equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath and semicolon, and XPath is okay. So we should implement the web element. Okay, so this is the web element, and after that we pass the drop down in this, okay, this drop down list in this our select class, and we can use the select class have its own method select dot select by index. Okay, so just we write here and we put we can print the string str equal to, so we cannot convert what do you say option in this. If you want to print option, we can directly copy and we can directly paste here. No, so we can use the driver dot close. Okay, so just we write the code for to select the first index, that is a zero index position option. Let's we execute the code and we get the output. Yeah, we get the output. Okay, so we just check it. So our test case will be pass. Okay, if we add this code and just we execute that, so we can see the select, okay, selected option. We just put the weight here, implicitly weight. Okay, then we can execute this code, then we can see the output. Okay, so 0th position there is a select and 1st position optional. Okay, so we can write is here index 1, then we can execute what should be output there. Yes, option 1 will be selected. Okay, option 1 is selected, you can see here. If we want option 3, then we can 0 1 2 3 3 position we can put here, and it will be printed, it will be selected as a option 3. If we execute this code, then we can see option 3 will be selected. Okay, you can see. Okay, so this is the by indexing method we can select the option from the drop down. Select class having another also methods, which is select dot select dot visible text. Okay, so visible text also there. So visible text is option 2, then we can option 2. Okay, option 2 is visible text. Okay, so we can check in DOM also what is visible text. Okay, inspect, and we can see here what is the visible text in drop down options. Here you can see this is a select by value. Okay, so and this is value and this is a visible text. Okay, so option 2 is our correct visible text. So we can execute this visible text select option, then we can see option 2 is selected, after that option 3 is selected. Okay, there's unsupported operation exception. What is exception occurring? Java.lang.unsupported operation exception. You may only deselect option by options of a multi-select. Okay. Okay. So what is error? Line number 19, which is so we have used here deselect method. Okay, and our error is coming, and that said you may need to include dependency, and you may only deselect option of a multi-select option. Okay, so here we want to change the method. Select by index, select by value, and select by visible text. So we here use select by visible text, and we can execute the option. Then we can see what is the output behind it. You can see option 2 is first selected, and after that option 3 is selected. Okay, so you can check select by value. We can check. So we here we write the value of option. So what is the value of option 1? We can check here. Just we inspect here and we can check what is the values of this. Okay, so we just click on it and we just here you can see here is the value option 1, option 2, option 3. Okay, so option 1 have option 1 value, so we just copy this value and we just put in this value. Okay, select by value, we put the value and we execute. After that we just put the wait dot sleep, which is static wait, and we just put the 2-second wait, and after that we just throws the declaration exception and just we execute the code. So these are the methods which are select options from the drop down: select by visible text, select by index, select by value. So these are the methods of select class. Okay, which is Selenium gives a select class. Okay, to handling the drop down list. You can check first option 2, option 1 and option 3. Okay, is selected. After that you can deselect. Okay, you can deselect option. Okay, you can use the deselecting options. You can use the deselect method. Okay, after that if you want to print the all option, then you can use the select dot get all selected options. Okay, this method you can use. But this method is used for multi-select drop down. Okay, this is not multi-select, I think. Option 1, option 3. Okay, so that's done, and just we check if there is a get option are running or not. The script is running till now. There are two types of drop down list: single select and single select and multi select. We can use the method select dot is multiple it is written true if the drop down is multiple. So we just check is multiple option return the true or not. So this drop down is not multi-select, okay, multiple. So multi-select drop down is not this. So we cannot use the get all selected optional method, okay, in this drop down list. Suppose here we use select dot deselect by index, okay, and sorry, here we write the 3. Then what is output we can see. Yeah, syntax error coming, yes. So this is also showing in console if any syntax error is coming. Unresolved completion error problem. Select class cannot be resolved. Yes. Yes. Right now it will be correct. So you can see, you can deselect. So there's a, you cannot deselect the drop down option which have already selected. So you can note this point. You cannot deselect already selected value in single select drop down. Okay, you cannot deselect already already selected value in single select drop down. You cannot deselect because here you already select by index 3 option 3, and if you try to do so deselect this value, then we get the unsupported operation exception. Okay, So we cannot deselect already selected value in single select drop down. Okay. So this is the way to handle the drop down using the select class. Okay. In next video we can see without select class how we can handle the drop down. Okay. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, stay positive, keep watching my video and stay energetic and stay positive and stay uh, attentive and take care. Thank you. Thanks for watching.